How to make money fast as a woman. Alright, right off the bat, the quickest way to start making money online would be to sign up on Fiverr or any one of the freelancing website and start doing some freelancing work, as you can start making money right away. For example, if you are skilled in graphic design or digital marketing or even writing, you can sign up with Fiverr or People Per Hour. There are numerous freelancing websites and you can trade your skill right there and start making money. A second option that you could look in to start making money right away is by doing some online tutoring. So are you a proficient English speaker? Well, you could sign up with websites like Campbell and numerous others, and you can teach kids or adults even online how to speak English. And if you're good or consider yourself above average in other subject areas, you can also find websites that you'll be able to do online tutoring and start making some money. The other option that I would recommend is going to take a bit of time, but it can also be very lucrative. For example, I would recommend that you go onto TikTok, which I assume more than likely you probably have a TikTok account already, but you are going to create one more. And you'll be mixing your love, if you have a love for shopping, you'll be mixing that in with TikTok and start making some money. As you can see right here, if you were to do a quick search on Amazon Finds on TikTok, this is a new niche that persons are using to make tons of money on TikTok without showing their face. As all you'll have to do is simply show around your house and show some of the latest products that you have gotten on Amazon and how they are used, and you'll simply create a Linktree link. For example, if I should go onto this person's TikTok page, as you can see right here, all they do is show some items that they have purchased on Amazon or from Shein, as you can see here, and then they have a Linktree link right here. Once you tap on their Linktree link, you'll be led to this page and you will see Amazon storefront. And if I should tap on this link, it will lead me to Amazon, on which they'll be getting affiliate commission. So once you set up your affiliate link with Amazon, you don't have to do anything more. All you need to do is direct the person over to Amazon. And as you may know, Amazon is the most popular e-commerce platform, so persons tend to trust Amazon a lot. And the beauty about Amazon is, if you should scroll down, you can see that she's promoting food organizers and so on. And you may be wondering, how much money will she be making if a person goes on and buys a food organizer? Well, it may not be a lot of that food organizer. As you can see, they go for anywhere from, like, for example here, $11. But the beauty about Amazon is, I don't know about you, but whenever you go onto Amazon, it's very rare that you go onto Amazon and buy only one product. And as an Amazon affiliate, once someone taps on your affiliate link and goes onto Amazon, even if you directed them to, let's say, this cup, and they went and purchased the cup, and they also purchased something else, let's say for example a laptop, you will be getting commission off both items. So you don't only get commission off the item that you directed the person to purchase, but you'll also be getting commission off anything that they purchase at that time using your affiliate link. And your affiliate link or the cookie will be planted on their device for up to 30 days. So you can see how this makes it easy for you to make money with Amazon. Another option that you could look into is start doing some drop shipping with Shopify. And this is a way how you can start making money right away and quickly. Because if you already have an audience, you can create your drop shipping store or create your brand and start making money right away. And another thing, if you don't want to go onto Shopify, you could use Etsy if you are more skilled in the arts and you would like to sell an art product or so on. You could definitely give Etsy a try. And if you're a career woman, or if you have any skills overall and you don't want to show your face and you don't want to sell anything, you could definitely give YouTube a try. As you can see right here, even if you're in the nursing area or any area in life, you could definitely set up a YouTube channel, and you don't have to show your face, and you could definitely do questions and answers. And believe me, you can also do celebrity niche. There are numerous niche you could look in, and you could start making money with YouTube. And when it comes to YouTube, you don't have to focus only on the advertisement money, but you could also start by promoting products and becoming an affiliate. I hope one of these intrigued you and you are thinking about trying one of them. Thank you for watching.